Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of digital illustration, specifically focusing on how to draw faces easily. So, stick around as I guide you through the process step by step. To begin, open your favorite app and create a new canvas. And start by drawing a vertical line to determine the size of the head. Next, draw a circle that covers the 3/4 of the length of the line. Now let's apply symmetry to ensure a balanced structure and adjust the placement. Then draw a triangle below the circle for the chin area. Moving on, draw a horizontal line through the center of the circle for eyebrows. Add a second line for the eyes. Now draw a line for the nose and another for the lips, carefully considering their placement as I am doing here. Now draw lines extending from eye line to nose line to create the ears. Now draw lines for the width of eyes, maintaining symmetry and spacing. Create a new layer and draw a circle for the nose, perfectly centered at the intersection. Now apply symmetry once again. Draw circles for the eyes and adjust their placement for a harmonious look. Let's define the eyes further by sketching almond-shaped outlines. Add eyelids. Moving on, shape the eyebrows to match the character's expression. Now, carefully draw the nose, keeping in mind its proportion. Draw nostrils and tip of the nose. curve the nose wings. Now connect the nose bridge. So we have a perfect looking nose, and now it's time to accentuate those lips. Starting with the inner part of the lips. Now draw cupid bow and upper lips. And draw the lower lips as well. So we have a perfect looking fuller lips. Now let's focus on the ears. Detail them by adding the outer curves and inner structure for a realistic touch. So with the facial features in place, refine the head shape to give it dimension and character. Create a new layer and lower the opacity of the previous one. This will serve as a guide as we refine the illustration. Now apply symmetry once more for the new layer and increase the brush's streamline to 50 for smoother strokes. Now try to draw the entire face in one stroke, excluding the irises. Draw the chin curve and contour line. Now let's add those final touches. Craft realistic looking eyebrows and delicate eyelashes using hair-like strokes. Curve the lower eyelid to enhance the eye's depth. Now add lip curve. Remove the symmetry and draw the eyeballs, paying attention to their placement and perspective. Let's add some eye detail to give them more realistic touch. Congratulations, you have successfully illustrated a captivating face. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on social media using the links in the description box. I can't wait to showcase your amazing work in my stories. Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing!